Walker here, your hormone and slow age expert. So let's talk about insulin, the major storing hormone of the body. Okay, not only fat, but it will store glucose and it will store amino acids, proteins. It's the storage hormone. It's an anabolic hormone. It's getting all of these amazing nutrients into the cell so the cell can use them for repair, for building, etc., etc. Yes. So it is well known for its effect on blood sugar. So it is a blood sugar regulator. It will make sure that your blood sugar levels are not too high. So it's very, very important. But what a lot of people don't necessarily think about is that insulin is also the major fat storing hormone. Okay. So what does that mean? Well, it stimulates the liver to produce these molecules that we call triglycerides. So triglycerides are also known as the fat in blood. That's what we generally call them. But triglycerides are the way the body stores fats. And if we break the word down, tri means three, and glycerides, this is the fatty acid. So 3 fatty acids will be joined together, linked together, to make a triglyceride, and this is the way they will then be transported in the blood together with cholesterol, together with the fat soluble vitamins on the little buses called LDLs, and they will be transported out to every cell in the body really, but primarily to your fat cells for storage, so you can then bring them out of storage when you need them. Okay, so insulin increases the production of the triglycerides. Yeah. But that's not the only thing it does. It actually then, once you get them in storage, it actually does everything it can to make sure they stay there. So you don't get to break them down again, okay? Because to be able to burn fat, you need to have single fatty acids, okay? So these triglycerides, the 3 fatty acids which are linked together, they then have to be broken down to their single units before you actually can burn them. And then insulin's story is not finished. It actually prevents some of the long chain and the extra long chain fatty acids from getting into the mitochondria, as they're called, these little power plants in the cell. Insulin stops them actually getting in there. So if you don't get them in, you're not going to be able to make energy from them anyway. You're not going to be able to burn them. So insulin is a major fat storing hormone which will prevent you from burning fat. So we need to know everything we can about this hormone. So I've written a little article or lots of little bullets about insulin and the things that you need to do to bring your insulin under control. I'll give you a little bit of a guess here. It's all to do with blood sugar at the end of the day. So please make sure that you are addressing your blood sugar in different ways. And it could be through your diet. It could be through exercise. It could be through muscle tissue. It could be also through stress, as in de-stressing. Lots of information there in that blog. So be sure to check it out because it is so, so important. If you want to burn fat, and I don't really know anybody who doesn't want to, then you must get this hormone under control. This is the prime fat storing hormone. Happy hormones, happy life.